Hi friends, this is my video about how to use SEESAW as a student. In my first video, it's about how to make a media, how to make a template by using SEESAW, but as a teacher. Right now, I would like to tell you about how if you as a student, what would it be? So first thing that you have to do, of course, open your smartphone and then install SEESAW class app. Just like this, I already have a SEESAW app, and then open it. Don't forget to sign in as a teacher, as a student, sorry. Look, the activities, the button at the bottom, you can see all of the activities that your teacher sent to you. Okay, I want to open the first activity, my family story. The teacher wants you to read the story in the class, so you just open it and then swipe. It's also have like voice note for you as a student. If you cannot read, you're too lazy to read, you can just listen to the audio right there. Okay, move to the second activity, my family recreate. So it's just the same with the first activity, but the teacher wants the students to make their own story based on the picture. So click add button. Okay, it's coming. There are text button, record button, camera button, and etc. So here I use text button. So you just can type your name there. For example, Momo Hotaru. And the three button there, you can change the style, the text, the kind of like the border if you want to fill in the text. Also justify or center, it's up to you. You can change the color also. Okay, right now I resize the text. Oh, and you can also duplicate the first shape like that. I think it's quite big, but it's too difficult because my fingers are big. I don't know why it could not move. Okay, next to the second slide, there are family tree. Actually, you can zoom it and then type again. Okay, there are about 10 slides with the same picture. Okay, you can type as much as you want. You also could record your voice, and just like storytelling also, you could telling your teacher about your own perspective with using some music or something. I can move to this third slide. You could do whatever you want till the 11th slide. Also, you could import your file from your drive and also your phone, just like I did here. I use my picture. If I want to put some pictures to the story to make it more good, to make it better. Just ignore my picture. Or you also could change the background here because the teacher are not allowed the background. So you could drawing. Yep, you could add the heart button. I mean heart sign and type again. Yep, click the finish button and the item uploaded. Yes, it's done. Okay, that is the second activity. Let's move to the last activity. My family tree. First, of course, you click the add button. Right now, I use pencil mode, so you can just draw in your name and change the color if you want to change the color. My signature is bad, I think. Okay, move to the second slide. Okay, so the teacher gave you some pictures, so you could use that picture if you want. Okay, I just moved the family tree text so I could make space. Okay, so you can move the pictures there and resize it if you want. And I use the pen marker to draw the tree. Yep, I think that's bad. No. Okay, I just move it again. I think that's me. And then this is my brother. Last is my sister, my elder sister. I want to record my voice because I'm too lazy to type something. And the last is click the finish button, the green one in the upside. Yes, item uploaded. Yep, that's all. It's quite simple because I think this app is really good for elementary students, kindergarten students, because it's really simple, the user interface, and it makes the students to develop their creativity because they could drawing, they could record, they could picture themselves, etc. A lot of fun. So guys, that's all from how to use Seesaw as a student. Okay guys, that's all. My explanation, what is it? But about how to play, how to make an assignment in Seesaw. Thank you. Bye.